In a world increasingly shaped by consumption and waste, a quiet revolution is taking root, one that transforms what's forgotten into something beautiful, purposeful, and enduring. Elevate your outdoors, transform discarded wood into eco-friendly art isn't just a design philosophy, it's a movement of creativity, sustainability, and soulful craftsmanship. It begins with a simple, powerful idea, that even the most overlooked scraps of wood can be reborn as art that inspires, connects, and elevates the spaces we inhabit. In this approach, discarded wood isn't seen as waste, it's seen as opportunity, as a blank canvas where the past inspires the present, where design meets conscience, and where every creation carries the mark of authenticity, craftsmanship, and care. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today we will show you how to elevate your outdoors by turning discarded wood into breathtaking eco-friendly art. So watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. When you pick up a weathered branch, an old fence post, or a forgotten plank and imagine what it could become, you're doing more than crafting, you're rewriting its story. Each piece of discarded wood carries traces of its history, the rough texture from years of sun and rain, the subtle cracks that tell of time's passage, the natural hues that no factory stain could ever reproduce. Transforming such wood into outdoor art, whether it becomes a sculptural centerpiece, a rustic bench, or a decorative panel, infuses your space with a story that is deeply human and deeply natural. It reminds us that beauty doesn't come from perfection but from character, and that design has the power to heal not just spaces, but also our relationship with the world around us. The significance of transforming discarded wood into outdoor art lies in how it marries sustainability and creativity. In an age when deforestation and mass production dominate, repurposing wood becomes both an artistic and ethical choice. Every plank you reuse means one less tree cut down, one less piece of waste in a landfill, and one more step toward living in harmony with nature. But beyond its environmental benefit, reclaimed wood holds a creative energy that new materials simply cannot match. Its textures, grains, and imperfections spark imagination, pushing artists and DIY enthusiasts alike to create designs that celebrate individuality. No two pieces are ever the same. No two projects tell the same story. In that uniqueness lies a kind of magic, a celebration of diversity and imperfection that modern design often overlooks. Outdoor spaces, when adorned with such art, take on a new life. They become places of reflection and renewal, where the presence of natural materials grounds the spirit and connects us to the earth. A reclaimed wood sculpture rising from a garden bed or a rustic pathway lined with handcrafted wooden accents transforms an ordinary backyard into an open-air gallery, a space that feels alive, breathing with the energy of the forest and the soul of human touch. Unlike plastic or metal, wood has a warmth that invites closeness. It weathers gracefully, evolving with the seasons. Over time, moss may grow along its edges, the color may deepen, and cracks may form, but rather than decay, these changes only add character. They tell the story of coexistence between art and environment, of nature embracing human creativity in return. For artisans and entrepreneurs, turning discarded wood into eco-friendly outdoor art represents an incredible opportunity to merge passion with purpose. The demand for sustainable design continues to grow, as more people seek decor that reflects their values of mindfulness and environmental care. What once might have been thrown away now becomes a source of income and inspiration. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's video? If you love decor and crafting, we post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Simple wooden sculptures, plant stands, garden dividers, and wall hangings made from reclaimed wood can all find homes in eco-conscious markets, boutique stores, or even online platforms dedicated to handmade craftsmanship. The beauty of this practice lies in its accessibility. No high-cost materials, no complex machinery, just imagination, patience, and respect for the material itself. Anyone with a creative spark can join this movement, turning an abandoned piece of wood into something meaningful and profitable. There's something profoundly emotional about giving discarded wood a second life. Each creation becomes a metaphor for renewal, a reminder that even what's been cast aside still holds value, still has something to offer. This mindset extends beyond craft. It reshapes how we see the world. When we transform old wood into art, we are in essence transforming our outlook, choosing hope over waste, creation over consumption, and connection over indifference. It's a deeply human act, one that bridges the practical and the poetic, blending sustainability with soulful design. Outdoor art made from reclaimed wood also has a unique power to connect the past and the present. Imagine crafting a garden trellis from the beams of an old farmhouse, or designing a table from the remnants of a wooden gate that once guarded a family's home. Each piece carries memories, silent echoes of lives lived and hands that once built with care. Bringing that material into a new design honors its journey and continues its story. In a world obsessed with the new, such creations remind us that longevity and legacy matter. They anchor us in time, offering both beauty and meaning. This is what makes reclaimed wood art so resonant. It's not just decorative, it's deeply narrative. Designing with reclaimed materials also invites a mindful creative process. Unlike uniform manufactured wood, discarded wood requires attention and intuition. You must study each piece, its shape, weight, grain, and imperfections before deciding how it will live again. This slow, deliberate approach fosters patience and appreciation for the craft. It's an art form rooted in humility and awareness, where the material guides the maker as much as the maker shapes the material. The result is art that feels alive, art that breathes authenticity. Every curve and joint tells a story of intention, of someone who cared enough to see beauty where others saw waste. From a design perspective, incorporating reclaimed wood into outdoor spaces enhances not just aesthetics but also emotional atmosphere. The tactile warmth of aged wood softens the often cold edges of modern architecture. Combined with greenery, stone, or metal, it creates a balance that mirrors nature's harmony. A reclaimed wooden bench tucked beneath a tree becomes an invitation to pause, to breathe, to reconnect. A wall hanging made from discarded planks becomes a conversation piece, a bridge between craftsmanship and consciousness. Through such art, outdoor spaces evolve into sanctuaries, places where design serves the soul, not just the eye. Moreover, crafting with reclaimed wood embodies a subtle yet powerful form of environmental activism. It proves that luxury and sustainability can coexist, that eco-friendly doesn't have to mean rustic or rough. With creativity and care, reclaimed wood can be shaped into pieces that rival high-end decor in elegance and longevity. The patina of age, the richness of natural grain, and the handcrafted finish combine to create beauty that transcends trends. These works stand as testaments to a future where style and responsibility walk hand in hand, where the measure of beauty includes its impact on the planet. Ultimately, to elevate your outdoors through eco-friendly wooden art is to embrace a philosophy of mindful living. It's about designing with heart, crafting with conscience, and finding joy in the process of renewal. Each project becomes a dialogue between nature and human imagination, a reminder that creation need not deplete but can instead restore. As your hands smooth the surface of reclaimed wood, as you breathe life into something once discarded, you're not just shaping material, you're shaping meaning. You're creating a space that speaks of balance between old and new, art and environment, self and world. And in that act of transformation, of turning discarded wood into something extraordinary, you discover something timeless. That beauty, at its core, is not about perfection but purpose. It's found in the hands that create, in the hearts that care, and in the courage to see potential where others see waste. By choosing to craft consciously, to elevate your outdoors with art born from renewal, you celebrate a world where design tells a story, where every creation honors its origins, and where even the simplest piece of wood can become a masterpiece that connects us all. Herb Sparkles. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked, breathtaking, eco-friendly art to elevate your outdoors by turning discarded wood. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.